Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to see when you started following someone on Instagram. We start by opening Instagram. Afterwards, we are going to go to the search section, and there we will look for the profile we want to consult. Click on it. Next, we enter the 3 upper points and then click on See Shared Activity. Here we will be able to check the date since we started following this profile, and also since when it follows us. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.